Okay, Jack, we love you. Bye-bye. Are you going to spin circles? You're going to spin round and round? Round and round? Oh, your hands are cold. Can you say fish? Fish. Can you say fish? Fish. Good job, love. Can you say round, round? Round, round? Fish and round, round are Jack's first words other than mama and dada. Fish! Are you walking? Good job! Look at you go!